Good morning, ladies. So I just learned a cool little trick and I'm going to do it today with you guys. I have on my 3D lashes, today I tried to do 2 layers of the lashes, so you can kind of see, and we're going to curl them with a curling iron. I know, pretty cool. Okay, so I'm going to put one more layer of the gel on to lock in the lashes. Okay, so everything, got a funky lash here. There we go. Everything's ready. Okay, so we're just going to put this on the lowest setting, and I'm just going to close my eyes and just leave the curl line like this. And there you have it. I can actually see a curl. So I hope that you have enjoyed this cool little tutorial, because I think I'm going to use it from now on. Hope you have a great day. Bye.